Care, another very important part of our body because it gives us sight. So we should protect our eyes. Now, eyes should be protected from bright sunlight. We should not see the sun at broad daylight because the rays of the sun will infect or harm the retina and the cells that are present over there. It will destroy them because the light, the intensity of the light. We should not watch television or rather mobile phones continuously because the light that is emitting from these objects, they harm the eyes. Then you have is reading in dim light. We should not read in dim light because we are putting stress and strain to our eyes. We should also not rub our eyes with our bare hands. We should, whenever any irritation is there, we should sprinkle little water and then we can just wash it properly. The last one that we have, problems like trachoma and conjunctivitis, which is very common. Conjunctivitis that is caused whenever any contamination, anything of an infected person we touch and that has reached our eyes, it causes the conjunctive of the eye to cause irritation. Food rich in vitamin, we should eat that because that gives the eyes that is a healthy food for the eyes. So we can eat carrots, we can eat tomato, these are mangoes, these are food that is rich in vitamin A. Hair care, as I told you, we must wash our hair properly regularly so that we do not get infected by dandruff, by any other germs that is going to cause dandruff. So our hair should be cleaned properly with comb, it should be cleaned with regular shampoo or regular taking bath also with water, we can clean our hair. Now we come to the second part, that is the community hygiene. We need this community hygiene because suppose we are taking bath, we are keeping ourselves clean, but the surrounding is not clean at all. We are throwing our garbage just next. So what happens is definitely those diseases, those germs will be carried and it will come to us. So we have to keep ourselves clean, we have to keep our community clean. So in this way we are going to have a protection of us as well as people around us. So how is this? What are the factors that are resulting in this disturbance in hygiene, maintaining hygiene in the community? One is ever increasing population. More number of people means more disposal of waste. So that waste has to be thrown properly. We are not doing so. Then increasing urbanization, that is also creating, or it is not meeting the houses that has to be made for the increasing number of people. Some people are living in the roadside just like that. It is a very bad sign or very bad thing for them. Then we have increasing industrialization. Industries are coming up because since the population is more, the demand is more, and so more number of industries are coming up, and industries means they are polluting the environment, the air and the water and the soil. So these are the factors that are responsible to create a disturbance in the community. Okay, so we have to maintain that. We have to maintain community hygiene. So first we have to discard the garbage properly. Second, we should not just keep the garbage or dumping area open like that, because stray animals may go over there and eat the food. They themselves may get sick and they can spread the diseases. So it should be covered with soil. Then the water should not allowed to be stagnate at one place, that if it is taking place we should throw away that water. Do not defecate in the open because that attracts insects and that helps in spread of various diseases. Open drains should be covered. We should cover the open drains. Drinking water, bathing and drinking water, it should be clean, and trees should be planted. The most important thing, trees should be planted because trees, they keep a check on the dust and they also bring in rain. So it is very, very important, and also they supply a lot of oxygen and fresh air. So to have safe water, we can use chlorine or chlorination we can have. We can use alum to clean water, to make it to remove the dirt. Then we can have sedimentation, we can boil water, and we can use water filters. So in this way we can make water clean for drinking and for bathing purpose. For sanitation disposal, we have lot of treatments like dumping the waste in the grounds and then covering it. Composting can be done for various food items, food articles which have been gone bad, or the peels of fruits and vegetables, and that can be used and changed into compost, which can be used as manure. Sewage treatment plants that has to be set up by the government, and that is going to treat the sewage that is coming out from homes and buildings, and it was going to separate the solid waste and the liquid waste, and the water can be reused and the solid waste can be changed into manures. Also we have over here pollution and health. Pollution, it is the disturbance or undesirable change in the environment, like is in the air, in the water, or in the soil. So this undesirable change, we can reduce it and to have a healthy community. So air pollution, what diseases it cause? It causes asthma, it causes bronchitis, it causes irritation of the eyes and throat. Whereas water pollution, it becomes unsafe for drinking. Also it helps in spreading of waterborne diseases like cholera, jaundice, typhoid, dysentery. And the pollution of water can be is taking place by the dumping of industrial waste, by bathing of humans and animals, by using excessive fertilizers and pesticides, which gets drained to the nearby water bodies, and so what happens is it pollutes the water. So we have to stop this pollution, reduce pollution as much as we can. We have to maintain community hygiene, we have to maintain personal hygiene to keep ourselves protected and healthy. Thank you.